Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about multiplexer and demultiplexer. Generally, these multiplexer and demultiplexer are an examples of combinational circuits. Let us first discuss about multiplexer. What is a multiplexer? In a digital systems, many times it is necessary to select a single data line from several data input lines, and the data from the selected data line should be available on the output. The digital circuit which do this task called multiplexer. It is a digital switch that allows digital information from several sources to be routed on a single output line. The basic multiplexer has several data input lines and a single output line. So the selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. Since multiplexer selects one of the inputs and routes it to output, it is also known as data selector. Normally, there are 2 power n input lines and n selection lines, whose bit combination determines which input is selected. Therefore, multiplexer is many to 1, and it provides the digital equivalent of an analog selector switch. So, from the given multiplexer a combinational block diagram, yes, it consists of 2 power n input lines called sources, and it produces only one output line called destination. With that, it will have n number of select lines are there. Multiplexer having several types like 2 to 1 multiplexer, which means it consists of only one select line. A 4 to 1 multiplexer, which means it consists of 2 select lines. 8 to 1 multiplexer, which means it consists of 3 select lines. 16 to 1 multiplexer, which means it consists of 4 select lines. Likewise, whenever the number of input line gets increases, the number of select line can also be increasing. So let us discuss the multiplexer with the help of a 4 to 1 type. Yes, it is evident that it consists of 4 input data lines are D0, D1, D2, D3, and it will have only one output line. Yes, it is Y. It consists of 2 select lines A and B. We may express this block in truth table. With the help of select line, the output line determines which input is selected. Though it is having 2 select lines, so it will have 4 different combinations likely 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for select input 0, 0, the output line selects the data D0. For select input 0, 1, the output line selects the data D1. For select input 1, 0, the output line selects the data D2. Similarly, for select input 1, 1, the output line selects the data D3. We may express this truth table in logic diagram to get output in the form of D0, D1, D2 and D3. The first AND gate have the inputs are D0, A prime, B prime. The second AND have the inputs are D1, A, B prime. The third AND gate have the inputs are D2, A prime, B. The fourth AND gate have the inputs are D3, A and B. And finally, we need to add the outputs of 4 AND gate to get the output Y, which means the output line determines which input is selected. For select input 0, 0, yes, it selects the data D0. For 0, 1, it selects the data D1. For 1, 0, it selects the data D2. And similarly for 1, 1, it selects the data D3. This is what about 4 to 1 multiplexer type. Generally, these multiplexers can widely used in satellite and digital communication. For example, if we consider a 4 to 1 multiplexer, yes, the 4 different inputs are considered as MP3 player, laptop, digital satellite TV, digital cable TV, and it will have only one output, may be considered as a sound system. So with the help of select input, we may reproduce the different input in the sound system. Now, for select input 00, the multiplexer selects the input as MP3 player. So the output, whatever audio can be played by MP3 player, that can reflect from the sound system. For select input 01, now multiplexer selects the input as laptop. Now our sound system reflects whatever audio or video played by the laptop. For select input 10, now multiplexer selects digital satellite and our sound system reflects the same. For select input 11, now multiplexer selects cable TV and the sound system reflects the cable TV. This is what about multiplexer. In the similar way, we may design demultiplexer also. What is a demultiplexer? In digital system, many times it is necessary to distribute many data line from single data input lines, and the data from the selected data line should be available on the output. The digital circuit which do this task called demultiplexer. It is also a digital switch that allows digital information from single source to be routed onto several output lines. So the basic demultiplexer has single data input line and several data output lines. The distribution of a particular output line can be controlled by a set of selection lines, since demultiplexer distribute one input and routes it to many output. It is also known as data distributor. Normally, there are one input line and n number of selection line, whose bit combination determines which output is selected. Therefore, demultiplexer is one to many, and it provides the digital equivalent of an analog distributor switch. So from the given block diagram, yes, the demultiplexer have only one input data line called source, and it will reproduce the output on 2 power n lines called destination, and it will have n number of selection lines are there. Similar to multiplexer, demultiplexer also having several types. They are 1 to 2 demultiplexer, which means it consists of one select line. 1 to 4 demultiplexer, which means it consists of two select lines. 1 to 8 demultiplexer, which means it consists of three select lines. 1 to 16 demultiplexer, which means it consists of 4 select lines. Likewise, whenever the number of output lines getting increases, the number of selection line may also be increasing. So we may explain this demultiplexer with one simple example, 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Yes, the block of demultiplexer diagram consists of only one input line called X, and it produces 4 different outputs like D0, D1, D2 and D3 with the help of selection lines A and B. So we may express this into a truth table. Yes, there's two different selection lines A and B, the 4 different outputs D0, D1, D2 and D3. Like similar to multiplexer, the selection lines also having the same combination, the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now if my select input is 0, 0, the output D0 closes the switch X. The remaining lines are 0. The remaining output lines are 0. Now my select input is 0, 1. The output D1 closes the switch X. The remaining output lines are getting 0. Now my select input is 1, 0. D2 closes the switch X. The remaining lines are 0. Similarly, now my select input is 1, 1. Now D3 closes the switch X. The remaining output lines are 0. We may express the same in logic diagram. Yes, to get the output D0, the first AND gate consists the inputs are X, A prime, B prime. To get output D1, the second AND consists the inputs are X, A, B prime. To get output D2, the third AND consists the inputs are X, A prime, B. Similarly, to get output D3, the fourth AND consists the inputs are X, A and B. This is what 1 to 4 demultiplexer type. And this demultiplexer can also be used for digital communication in a reception system. Consider a 1 to 4 demultiplexer. The input, it is connected to a CPU. And the output, there are different outputs are here. A black and white printer, a fax machine, a color inkjet printer, a pen plotter. So if my select input is 0, 0, now black and white printer reflects the output of CPU. If my select input is 0, 1, fax machine reflects the output of CPU. If my select input is 1, 0, color inkjet printer reflects the output of CPU. Similarly, now my select input is 1, 1, pen plotter reflects the output of CPU. This is what a demultiplexer. These are the references that I have used for preparing this video lecture. Thank you for watching.